Dear students, welcome to this class. So already we have started your syllabus from last class and we will discuss some concept in the chapter 1 food. Where does it come from? Food, where does it come from? So what we have discussed in the last class. So I told about a food, what exactly the food means. Once again, I wish to recall what I told in the last classes. Then after we will go to the next concept. Okay. Food means what? The material that nourishes our body. The material that nourishes our body, we call it as a food. And why do we need a food? What is the necessity of this food to our body? It gives us energy to do activity for work, and it creates the immunity in our body to fight against the diseases, and it helps in the growth of our body. Yes, sir. And it also helps in the repairing of our worn out body cells. So we said these are the main important of food. So for this we need a food for our growth, for repairing our worn out cells, to create a immunity in our body. Understand? For all these purposes, we need a food. Understand? And also, we have discussed about variety of food and also ingredients of food. I think already I given a small homework for you. Understand? So variety of food. In a day, we are taking a variety of food like a breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Yes, sir. In every homes, all people does not take the same kind of food. Food, we can see the variety of food. Even consider your Indian country. Do all states preparing the same kind of food for lunch, even dinner, and even breakfast? No. Go and visit the different places, different states of our India. You can observe the different kind of food methods in our country. Yes, sir. Consider your state Karnataka. Go to, we are living in North Karnataka. If you go for South Karnataka, go and see. Food habits are changed as compared to North Karnataka people. They are preparing different kinds of food as compared to North Karnataka. They are taking a breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But we don't like here in North Karnataka people. So hence we are also seeing the variety of food. As like dresses, we are seeing the variety of dresses in all over India. Yes, sir. Wearing of dresses is also different in different states, in a different areas. Likewise, we can see the variety also in a food habits in all over India and also in our Karnataka in a different districts. Yes, sir. Okay. And we also discuss about the ingredients of food. What? Ingredients means the materials which are used to prepare dishes. The materials which are used to prepare dishes. They are called ingredients. They are called ingredients. Understand? So already I given some work for you. Understand? Write the ingredients to prepare that some food dishes which are given in your text. I hope you do already did it. Okay? Let it. Let's come. What is the next concept? Source of food. The next concept is that source of food. Okay, students, come. So, in this class, we will discuss about the sources of food. Okay, source of food. Do you know, students, what is the main source of our food? Hmm? What is the main source of our food? Okay, everyone knows plants. We are getting a food from a plants. Which plants? Green plants. Which plants? Green plants. Because only the green plants capable to produce their own food. And those green plants are also called autotrophs. Autotroph means they have self-nutrition. They can prepare their own food in their body. But we no. We cannot prepare our food in our body. Huh? We consume that food from outside. Understand? Hence we are depending upon plants. Not only human beings, all animals, except human beings, other animals also they depending upon the green plants directly or indirectly for their food. Understand? So not only plants, even animals are also source of food. Understand? See, the mainly sources of foods are there plants and animals. Plants and animals. These are the two main sources of our food. These are the two main sources of our food. Understand? Already we have discussed. We have learned in the last standard. We are using the each part plant as a food, like stem, root, then fruits, even flowers. So all these are we are using the as a food. Yes, sir. So this is the plant sources. Okay. So what we use part of plant as a food, that is called edible part. That is called edible part. Consider a mango tree. What we use as a food in that plant, which part? Fruit part, mango fruit. So fruit part is the edible part. We are not using the stem part, even leaves and any other part as a food. We are using only fruit part as a food. Understand? Consider the potato. It's the stem part. So we use the stem as a food. Consider radish and even carrot. They are the root parts. They are the root parts. So we are using that roots as a food. As a like this. Even some flowers are there. Even leaves. Leaves also used as a commonly in vegetables. We are using flowers. Cauliflower is there like that. So even leaves are also spinach like this. This kind of plants we are using as a food. So totally these are plant products. These are the main source of our food. Yes, sir. Even animals also became a source of our food. How, sir? So what we get the products from animals, you know that? Milk. The main product is the milk. Yes, sir. From that animals we get a milk. From that milk you can extract even what? Ghee, butter, buttermilk, etc. like that. So totally from animals we get a milk. Hence animals also became a source of food of us. Okay. Then here in this class we will discuss about the plants. Plants as a source of food. Plants as a source of food. Okay, see students. Already I explained in a plant body we use some parts as a food like root, stem, leaves, flowers and even fruits. Okay, let us discuss plant as a source of food. So some food items that are obtained from plants, some food items that are obtained from plants, which are those? First one is the cereals. First one is the cereals. So these are also plant products we use as a food. So what do you mean cereals? ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ಸಿರಿಧಾನ್ಯಗಳು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಸಿರಿಧಾನ್ಯಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಏಕದಳ ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳು. ಸಿರಿಧಾನ್ಯ ಅಥವಾ ಏಕದಳ ಧಾನ್ಯ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, cereals. Which are those cereals? Wheat, rice, maize. Example: wheat, rice, maize. Then so these are collectively called as a cereals. Wheat, rice and maize. Even ragi also. Ragi. Ragi. So which provides a very lot amount of carbohydrates to our body. Understand? Ragi. It has a very high energy, calorific value. Understand? So, so wheat, rice, maize, ragi. These are all seeds which have only single cotyledon. Understand? Hence, these are also called cereals. These are all collectively called as the cereals. So these cereals in Kannada they are called as ಸಿರಿಧಾನ್ಯ ಅಥವಾ ಏಕದಳ ಧಾನ್ಯ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ wheat, rice, maize, ragi. These are collectively called as cereals. Then second one is the pulses. Pulses ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ದ್ವಿದಳ ಧಾನ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Pulses cereals ಏಕದಳ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿರಿಧಾನ್ಯ, ಪಲ್ಸಸ್ ದ್ವಿದಳ ಧಾನ್ಯ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಸರ್ ಪಲ್ಸಸ್? ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್, ಪೀನ್ಸ್, ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್, ಪೀಸ್, grams, peas and beans. So these are collectively called as a pulses. So ಎಲ್ಲ ದ್ವಿದಳ ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳೇ. ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇಳೆ ಕಾಳುಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಬೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಪೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಪಲ್ಸಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ದ್ವಿದಳ ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳು. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಫುಡ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? Cereals, wheat, rice, maize, ragi, especially monocots are there, monocot seeds are there. These are all collectively called as a cereals. And in grams, peas, beans, these are collectively called as what? Pulses. Okay. The next one is there sugar. Sugar, which is also plant product. Understand? It is obtained from, sugar means, how can we get a sugar? From a sugar cane plant and sugar beet. Example, sugar cane. Example, sugar cane and sugar beet. Sugar cane and sugar beet. So these are the examples for sugars. Understand? The next one are there beverages. Next one, beverages. ಪಾನೀಯಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಏನು? ಪಾನೀಯಗಳು. Which are the beverages getting from plants? Very easy. Tea and coffee. Tea and coffee. Understand? Tea is made from tea leaves. Tea is made from tea leaves. Coffee is made from seeds or coffee beans. These are made from leaves. These are made from beans or seeds. Understand? Remember the examples for that beverages. So which are those? Tea and coffee. Remember, tea is made from tea leaves. Coffee is made from coffee beans or seeds. Okay. The next one is there oils. Oils. So especially oil yielding plants. Which are those? Mustard, groundnut, coconut. Mustard, groundnut, coconut, then sunflower, soybean, etc. Mustard, groundnut, coconut, sunflower, soybean. So these are oil. So we get the oils from these seeds: mustard seed, groundnut seed, coconut seed, sunflower seed, and soybean seeds. We get the oils from all these seeds. Then spices are the last one. Spices. These are the sources of food. Spices. Which are those? Chili, turmeric. Chili, turmeric. Chili, turmeric. So these are used as a what? Food. Understand? So these are all plant sources. Okay. The last one is the fruits and vegetables. Understand? So we use some fruits and vegetables as a also as a food. Understand? Fruits like what? Hmm? Apple, even tomato, and even lemon. So these are also we use as a part of a food in our dishes. Yes or no? Okay, students. This is about a plant as a source of food, and also different parts of plants also serve as a source of food. Different parts. Already I told root. Best example carrot or radish. So these we also these roots also as a food. Then stem potato, onion, ginger, potato, onion, ginger, and even sugarcane. The stem part of these plants also we use as a food. Then leaf. Already I told spinach, cabbage, coriander, spinach, cabbage, coriander. These are the leaves part. We use them as a food or vegetable. Then flower. Which are those? Broccoli, ಗೆಡ್ಡೆ ಕೋಸು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ ಗೆಡ್ಡೆ ಕೋಸು, ಬ್ರಾಕೋಲಿ, ಕಾಲ್ಫ್ಲವರ್, ಹೂಕೋಸು, ಗೆಡ್ಡೆಕೋಸು. So these are all flower part. So we use these flowers also as a vegetable or a food. And last one is the seed. Kidney beans, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹುರುಳಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? Kidney beans and corn and wheat. So these are examples for this. So these are examples for that what? Seeds. So we use these as a food. Understand? So these are all examples for plant sources. We use all these plant sources as a food. Cereals, pulses, sugar, beverages, understand? Spices. Okay, students. I hope you understood this lesson. In the next class, so we will discuss about the animal source. What? Animal source as a food. Okay. So try to write these other examples for even cereals, pulses, and even beverage. Beverages only two are the tea and coffee and oils and spices. Okay. So all these plant sources, these are all edible parts. These are all edible parts. We use them as a part of our dish or food. Okay. I hope you understood this lesson. So in the next class, we will discuss about animals as a source of a food. Okay. Thank you for watching this class.